been a while, huh, Lola? So what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna play. I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna play with a Minnie Mouse cash register.
Ooh, a Minnie Mouse cash register. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have coins over here. We have one that says 5, 10, and 25.
That's my room number.
That's your room number?
Yeah.
And we have some Minnie Mouse currency here. We have 1,
And
5,
and there's
10,
1,
20. And what
there's
is
1
this, Lola?
card.
A credit card and Minnie Mouse credit card. Let's take a look at your register, and we got some things to sell.
I sell bubble gum and the unicorn and soda.
Yeah, gum, unicorn, and
I almost said Risha.
yeah, Risha was the word you used to say when you were a little kid, right?
Yeah. And then when I said booger, I said Reese.
You know what that means?
Yeah,
What is it?
boogers.
In what language?
Chinese.
Say it again.
Basie.
Okay, hi.
Hi. Welcome to my store. What do you want today?
You have a very nice store. I want some bubble gum and a soda, please.
Wait, what is your number?
What is my number?
Wait.
How much does it cost? Bubble gum
It
and
costs-
soda.
It costs for $1.
$1. Cool, good prices. Here's $1.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens with your cash register. Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, can I have my items, please?
Wait, I forgot to scan.
Okay, scan them, and then I'm ready to take them when you are.
Here.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Oh, you want me to pay with the credit card? I paid you cash. Okay, fine. Charge me on the credit card. Ooh, cool. Now, do I get my dollar back then? Because you charged me twice. Okay, Lola, welcome to my store. What would you like to buy today?
I wanna buy bubble gum and
Okay, bubblegum and unicorn. Let me scan them. Beep, beep. It's gonna cost you $5, please. $5, please. You can give me a 10 and I'll give you change. Okay, $10. And I'm gonna give her $5 change. Here you go. Thank you. I'm gonna put your 10 in here. Have a nice day. Take your unicorn and soda. You gonna pay me again with your credit card? Cool, okay.
you paid me a lot, so you get to.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Bye guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. And click the bell button. See you later. Bye.
What was that?
Mana mana mana.